plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where here a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers or complex number, and condition here if a must and should be not is equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. So what is the definition here? The polynomial equation. The polynomial equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where here a comma b comma c is any real number or complex number. What is the condition here? A not is equal to 0 is called quadratic equation of the variable in ax. This is the definition. Now this topic of the today problems. Now what is the problem here? If this is a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, given the any two roots given, that is equal to find the value of the first one here, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Clear? Now here, so given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Already discussion of the yesterday. What here? The roots formula. What is the roots formula here? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, and here there are two roots there. Two roots formula is equal to what here? X square minus x of the alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the given the two roots. Now here there are two roots given. That is the roots is equal to what here? Alpha and beta. So what is the quadratic equation here? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First find the sum of the root. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to what here? Minus a by b. Minus b by a. S2 is equal to alpha beta is equal to formula over here. This is the product of the root formula. So product of the root formula over here c by a, and sum of the root formula what? Minus b by a. So what is the given the problem now here? Now 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. What is the LCM here? What is the LCM here? Alpha beta. What is the numerator of the value here? Alpha plus beta. Clear? So this is the numerator is the sum of the roots, denominator is the product of root. Sum of the roots how much here? Minus b by a. Product of the how much here? C by a. So substitute of the value here. What here? Minus b by a whole by c by a. What is the cancellation here? A cancel to what here? Minus b by c. And second problem. Now, what is the second problem here? 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Here, what is the LCM here? Alpha square into beta square. That is equal to what here? Beta square plus alpha square. Numerator is what here? Beta square plus alpha square or alpha square plus beta square. So now here what? Alpha square plus beta square. Numerator is using of the one formula. What is the formula? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to what is the formula? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the formula. Why here? This is the what here? Degree 2 there. So that is equal to, you know already, a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. But here a square plus b square is equal to what? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a replaced by alpha, b replaced by beta. So what is the formula? We know that alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So substitute alpha here. So that is equal to numerator is what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by here denominator degree 2 there. So we can write the one time what? Alpha beta whole square. You know what here? This is the sum of the roots is a minus b by a and product of root is a what? C by a. Substitute of the value. Now here. So that is equal to what here? Minus b by a whole square minus 2 of the c by a 4 by what? C by a whole square. So numerator how to write the here? That is equal to b square by a square minus 2c by a. This is the numerator. What is the denominator here? C square by a square. So LCM of the what here? Numerator is a square. That is equal to what here? Numerator b square minus 2ca by a square 4y. Denominator what? C square by a square. What is the cancellation here? A square cancel. So finally the result here what? B square minus 2c a by c square. Any doubt here? Once again tell. So what is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Already extended telling. S1 is equal to what here? Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Sum of the roots formula what here? Alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. Clear? Now first problem what here? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to. How to write the here? LCM is what here? Alpha beta. So how to write the numerator? Alpha plus beta. That is equal to what here? That is equal to what here? Sum of the roots formula what? Minus b by a 4 by product of roots what here? C by a. What is the cancellation here? A cancel. That is equal to minus b by c. One formula you know. What is the formula here? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So what is the second problem given here? 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. What is the LCM here? Alpha square into beta square. How to write the numerator is a beta square plus alpha square or alpha square plus beta square. So this is the alpha square plus beta square value what here? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. Alpha beta whole square. So what is the sum of the roots here? Product of the roots. Sum of the roots how much here? Minus b by a. Product of the roots how much here? C by a. So substitute of the value here. So what is the denominator? How to write the here? LCM is what here? A square there. So that is equal to final answer what? B square minus 2ca by c square. Any doubt? Any doubts, friends? Now, focus. Now, first problem. Alpha power 4, beta power 7 plus beta power 7 into alpha power 4. Now here observation of the degree 4, degree 7 given here. But here what? Alpha power beta given here, beta alpha given. What is the common here? Here what is the common there here? Here what is the common here? Alpha power 4 common, beta power 4 common. So how to write here? Alpha power, beta power 4 common 2. Here remaining how much beta there? 3 times 3. So that is equal to beta cube. Plus here what is the common here? Alpha power 4, beta power 4 outside there. Remaining alpha how much there here? 3 times. That is equal to how to write the alpha cube. Now another formula is there. What is the formula here? We know that alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to formula alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta formula. What is there here? Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to what here? Alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. Again here formula what here? What is the alpha square plus beta square? Another formula. Now alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now how to write the here? Now alpha power 4 beta power 4. Alpha cube plus beta cube here what here? Sum of the roots into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. What here? Alpha beta into what? Alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. Now another formula is what here? Alpha square plus beta square here what here? This is the what? What is the formula? This is the write the negative power 4 we can write the one time. That is equal to alpha beta power 4 or alpha plus beta into what is the formula? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So what here? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta and remaining here what? Minus alpha beta. Now if you know that what here? Sum of the roots you know, product of roots you know, substitute of the here. So that is equal to what here? Alpha beta whole power 4 into what? Alpha beta into what here? Alpha plus beta whole square minus, this is how much here? Minus 3 alpha beta. Now product of the roots value what here? C by A. Sum of the roots is what? Minus B by A. So that is equal to what? C by A whole power 4 of, we can write the outside here. So sum of the roots what is? Minus B by A into what here? Minus B by A whole square minus 3 of the product of the roots how much here? C by A. Now that is equal to what here? C power 4 by A power 4 into what here? Minus B by A of, that is equal to what? Minus B whole square is equal to what here? B square whole by what here? A square minus 3C by A. So this is a calculation what again? Denominator is a LCM. So what? C power 4 by A power 4 into minus B by A of LCM is what? A square. A square what here? B square minus 3CA. So that is equal to what here? Minus applying here and B by A multiplication. So final result is what here? Here write the C power 4 by A power 4 of minus applying here, that is equal to this minus is what here plus, that is equal to what here? 3CA minus what here? B square by what here? A square into B by A. So what before is what? B by A. So that is equal to what here? That is equal to C power 4 by A power 4 into, so B applying of the numerator, A applying of the denominator. So finally what here? 3ABC minus BQ by AQ. This is it. Final. So very important of the, there are two formulas, that is a alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. What is the alpha cube plus beta cube formula? What here? Alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. Any doubt? Now and fourth one, alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. So what is the given here problem? Fourth one, alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. What is the denominator LCM here? Alpha beta. How to write here? That is equal to alpha beta. So what here? Alpha square minus beta square. What? Alpha square minus beta square. Power is what here? Whole square. Now here alpha square minus beta square formula, you know, you don't know. But first here what here? A plus b whole square is equal to what? So here how to write the here? A square minus b square is equal to what? A minus b into what? A plus b whole power what? Square by what here? Alpha beta whole square. So this is by using of the what is the formula numerator? A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. What is the a value here? Alpha. What is the b value? Beta. How to write the here? Alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta power what? Whole square. By denominator is what here? Alpha beta whole square. Now, so that is equal to what here? So applying of the power here. So power is what here? Alpha minus beta whole square into alpha plus beta whole square by alpha beta whole square. So you know already first year formula, that is equal to area of the triangle, that is the a minus b whole square is equal to formula. So what here? A minus b is equal to formula under root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. But here what? A minus b is equal to, so what? A minus b whole square is equal to what here? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides what here? A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. What is the a value here? Alpha. What is the b value? Beta. So applying of the a, that is equal to what here? What? A plus b whole square minus 4, sorry, alpha minus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta into sum of the roots. What is the sum of the roots here? Alpha plus beta whole square by alpha beta whole square. So you know what here? Sum of the roots minus b by a, product of the roots what here? C by e. This is sum of the roots here, applying of the product of roots. So how much here? That is equal to sum of the root what? Minus b by a whole square minus product of the roots how much? C by a, 4 of the c by a into what here? Sum of the roots, that is equal to what? Minus b by a whole square by, and alpha beta product of the roots formula what here? C by a whole square. Now continuation. What here? Minus b by whole square is equal to how much here? B square by a square. So that is equal to what here? B square by a square minus what here? 4c by a into, and what here? Minus b by a whole square is equal to what again? B square by a square. 4 by what here? C square by a square. We can write individually denominator. How? C by a whole square there. So individual applying of the square. So that is equal to, here LCM is what here? Denominator LCM is what? A square. So now what? Numerator is the LCM is what? A square. That is equal to what? B square minus 4ac into what? B square by a square whole by what? C square by a square. These are all of you. Here denominator a square, here a square, a square. So cancellation of the one time is a square. Clearly any doubt? So final result is what here? Final result is what? B square by what? A square into, this is a multiplication. What amount? A square into C square of B square minus 4ac. Is there? And one problem is homework. So final problem what here? Alpha square plus beta square by alpha power 2 minus beta power minus. This is the homework one. Any doubt? Not the survivor? Conditional survivor.